Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, August 11th. Right away, I have to warn you that the helicopters have been relentless for some reason for the past couple of days, and unfortunately, I have no way of knowing when they're going to pass. I'm going to try to speak louder when they go, and I hope that my noise canceling earbuds will muffle some of the noise and it's not going to be as disturbing for you guys. Anyway, the Zen story for today is titled The Whisper in the Hallway. It began with the smallest sound, so faint it could have been imagined. Not breath, not words. Something thinner, like fabric shifting in an empty room, or the pause between footsteps. The novice sat up on his futon, heart beating a little too loud in the quiet. He held his breath, listening. There it was again, closer this time, just beyond the paper-thin wall. He slid the door open slowly, bare feet sinking into the cool wood of the hallway. The air smelled faintly of old cedar and night rain. Moonlight pressed softly through the shoji, turning the floor pale and uneven. He stood there for a long moment, half certain he should turn back. But the whisper stirred again. He stepped forward, past the bell rope swaying slightly in the draft, past the cracked plaster he had promised to mend. Each step felt slower than the last, as if the hallway had grown longer while he wasn't looking. And then he saw, at the far end, beneath the window where the moon hung low, the cat sat, watching him, still, silent. Its eyes caught the light in a way that made him shiver. It didn't move. The novice tried to speak, but no sound left his tongue. The whisper rose again, not in his ears this time, but inside him. He felt his body tense, one foot frozen between going back and stepping closer. For a moment, the whole hallway seemed to tilt. He closed his eyes, just for a heartbeat, to steady himself. And when he opened them, the cat was gone. No paw steps, no sound. He stood there, unsure how long. When he finally turned back toward his room, he felt something trailing behind him. Now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Have Have you ever followed something uncertain only to realize it wasn't leading you forward, but inward? Have you ever followed something uncertain only to realize it wasn't leading you forward, but inward? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Have you ever followed something uncertain only to realize it wasn't leading you forward, but inward? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.